topic is Rolle's theorem. This is very important topic of differentiation. So first of all, statement of Rolle's theorem. If a function fx is defined on closed interval ab is such that fx is continuous in closed interval ab and fx is derivable in open interval ab, and third condition, fa is equal to fp, then there exists at least one real number c belongs to open interval ab such that f dash c is equal to 0. Now we will solve some examples related with Rolle's theorem. Example, verify Rolle's theorem for 8x square by 3 minus 2x for x belongs to 0 to 3 by 4. Now solution, fx is equal to 8x square by 3 minus 2x is polynomial. This is polynomial in x and all polynomials are continuous. So this is continuous for x belongs to 0 to 3 by 4. Now second step, f dash x is equal to, now differentiate this with respect to x, 16x divided by 3 minus 2. So this is differentiable at x belongs to 0 to 3 by 4 open interval, and third is fa. fa means put x is equal to a and a is equal to 0. 8 0 square divided by 3 minus 2 multiplied by 0, which is equal to 0 by 3 minus 0, that is 0, that is fa is equal to 0. Now for fb, put x is equal to 3 by 4 in this 8 and x 3 by 4 here minus 2 multiplied by 3 by 4. Now solve this. 8 9 by 16. By 2 minus 3 by 2, which is equal to 0, that is fa and fp are equal. Now all three conditions of Rolle's theorem hold. Now there exists c belongs to open interval 0 to 3 by 4 such that f dash c is equal to 0. Now f dash c means 16c divided by 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. From this relation we will find out value of c. And c belongs to this interval 0 to 3 by 4. Hence the
next question. Determine if Rolle's theorem applies for the function 3x minus x cube on interval minus 2 to 1. Now because fx is a polynomial, so it is continuous. Now differentiation of fx is equal to 3 minus 3x square, so it is differentiable. Now check third condition for Rolle's theorem, that is f of a, that is f of minus 2 is equal to 3 multiplied by minus 2 minus minus 2 whole cube. By putting x is equal to minus 2 in this expression, we get f of minus 2 is equal to 2. Similarly, f1 is also equal to 2 by putting x is equal to 1 in this expression. So f of minus 2 is equal to 2 and f of 1 is equal to 2, that is f of minus 2 is equal to f of 1. Thus all three conditions of Rolle's theorem holds. Now there exists a point such that f dash x is equal to 0. Now 1 minus x square is equal to 0. Now find out value of x, that is equal to 1 and minus 1. Now 1 is not solution because not in this interval. 1 is not lie in this interval minus 2 to 1 open interval, but c is equal to minus 1 because this lies in this interval. So value of c is equal to minus 1. Next question. Verify Rolle's theorem for the function x square minus 5x plus 6 for the interval minus 3 to 8. Again fx is polynomial function, so it is continuous and differentiable over minus 3 to 8. Now f minus 3 is equal to 30 and f of 8 is equal to 30. That is f of minus 3 is equal to f of 8, that is f of a is equal to f of b. That is all three conditions for Rolle's theorem satisfied. Now there exists a point c belongs to minus 3 to 8, that is f dash c is equal to 0. Now f dash c is equal to 2c minus 5 is equal to 0, that is c is equal to 5 by 2 and 5 by 2 belongs to this interval. So Rolle's theorem is verified. Now in this way you will solve some more examples of Rolle's theorem for practice. Thank you.